that place, Daddy? Hi.
Hi.
I'm sick. I got bacterial ammonia. What's wrong with you?
My kidneys don't work. I need new ones.
Where did you get them from?
Someone has to give me one. I'm not gonna live very long.
Daddy,
Yes?
do I have kidneys?
Yes. 2? Why?
I could give you a mine.
That's not how it works, sweetheart.
Why?
Because you need them. Take care. I don't want you talking to him, okay?
Why?
Because I said so. It might be dangerous.
I think he's nice. He has tattoos like you.
It doesn't matter. Tattoos don't make you good or bad. We just don't know.
Jesus loves them. Why can't we?
Just mind me, please.
Yes, Daddy.